Welcome to Best Choice. The best clothing marker is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who loves to personalize their wardrobe or label their belongings. Whether you're a seasoned crafter, a parent labeling kids' clothes, or just someone who enjoys adding a unique touch to your items, a reliable clothing marker can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the world of clothing markers, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. ARTISTRO 24 Acrylic Paint Markers. This set features dual tips, one fine and one bold. You can easily switch between detailed lines and filling in large areas. It's perfect for any project. These markers are ready to go right out of the box. The ink flows smoothly and dries quickly, so you can start creating right away. No shaking or pressing is needed. The colors are bold and eye-catching, perfect for all your DIY projects. You can mix and layer them to create unique effects. Let your creativity run wild. These markers work on almost any surface, from paper to glass. The fade-resistant ink provides even coverage. It's great for all kinds of crafts. The markers are safe for everyone, from kids to adults. They are odorless and perfect for classrooms or crafting at home. It's a great choice for beginners and pros alike. To keep the markers in top condition, store them horizontally with the caps tightly closed. This helps maintain the ink quality and ensures they're always ready to use. This will help them last longer. What we like. This marker features dual tips, allowing for both fine lines and bold strokes. It works on nearly any surface, making it perfect for various creative projects. If you're looking for a versatile marker for detailed art and crafts on different materials, you should consider this one. What people say. The marker worked perfectly on the clothing. The ink did not bleed and the writing was clear. The fine tip was great for writing names on clothing tags. Number 4. Sharpie Rub-A-Dub Laundry Marker Fine Black. This is the perfect solution for all your laundry marking needs. It's a fine point pen that makes marking clothes quick and easy. The ink marks permanently on cloth without any bleeding or feathering. You can be sure that the marks will stay on, wash after wash. This pen is uniquely formulated to remain permanent through washing and dry cleaning. It's easy to use and will save you time and effort. The fine point allows for precise and clear marking. It's perfect for labeling clothes, linens, and more. This marker is designed to withstand the rigors of laundry. It's a reliable tool that you can count on. What we like. This laundry marker is designed for quick and easy marking on cloth, ensuring your labels stay put through washes. It's formulated to be permanent, so your marks won't fade. If you need a reliable solution for labeling clothes and fabrics, this is the one for you. What people say. The marker worked perfectly on all the fabrics I tested it on. The ink is permanent and doesn't bleed. The fine tip is great for writing names on clothing tags. Number 3. Crayola Fabric Markers, Fine Tip, Assorted Colors, Set of 10. These fabric markers allow you to draw in detail on any colored fabric. The colors will pop. They are designed to work on both dark and light fabrics. Personalize and decorate fabric clothing and accessories with these fine line markers. The bright, bold colors work on light and dark fabrics. The fine tip allows for intricate details. Whether you're creating a landscape or decorating t-shirts, this product has what you need. It helps make your project pop in bold, bright colors. Crayola offers a diverse range of markers. There are options like broad line, fine line, glitter, metallic, and emoji stampers. Washable markers are available for younger artists, and bulk packs are sold for classrooms. From markers for kids or adults to washable paints, bright crayons, and even scented markers, we've got it all. This product gives kids the power to express all that inspires them as they explore, discover, play, pretend, create, and dream. The bright, bold colors work on both light and dark fabrics. This set includes 10 fine line fabric markers. Draw in detail on any colored fabric and watch the colors pop. These unique fabric markers are designed to work on both dark and light colored fabrics. They are perfect for all your creative projects. What we like. This marker allows you to draw in detail on any colored fabric, with colors that pop. It's designed to work on both light and dark fabrics, giving you creative freedom. If you like to personalize clothing or create intricate fabric designs, you should consider this one. What people say. Good quality marker, bright colors with good variety. They dry quickly. They were vibrant and easy to use. They didn't smear even with a 3-year-old coloring with them, under supervision. It was easy to read all the cute phrases written all over the tie. The tip was thin enough that the kids were able to make many intricate designs. These are great. Good strong colors, work well on cloth, and don't disappear with a single wash like some. Number 2. Artline White Fabric Markers, 2 markers. Introducing the Artline White Fabric Markers. This set of 2 markers is perfect for all your fabric marking needs. It's a versatile tool for various projects. These markers are designed to work on a wide range of fabrics. You can create both thin and thick lines with ease. It's great for detailed work. Perfect for back-to-school clothing, blazers, uniforms, camping gear, and bedding. The marker is a must-have for labeling and personalizing items. These permanent, non-bleed white fabric markers are specifically designed for fabric use. The ink is fade-resistant, ensuring your marks last. The markers are machine washable, making them ideal for everyday use. The ink is designed to withstand washing, ensuring the marks stay visible. What we like. This marker allows you to create both thin and thick lines on various fabrics. It's specifically designed for use on any fabric with fade-resistant ink. If you need a reliable marker for labeling or marking on dark fabrics, you should consider this one. What people say. The marker worked perfectly on the clothing. The ink did not bleed. The fine tip was perfect for writing names on clothing tags. Number 1. Mr. Pen Fabric Markers for Sewing, 5-pack. Introducing Mr. Pen Fabric Markers, a must-have for any sewing project. This set of 5 pens is designed to make your work easier and more accurate. They are perfect for tailoring, sewing, and crafting. These pens glide smoothly across any fabric, creating fine, clear lines. This allows you to make precise markings for cutting and sewing. The lines are easy to see and follow. The ink is water-soluble, which means it disappears with water. This is great for temporary markings that won't leave any stains. It ensures your finished projects look clean and professional. Remember, do not iron the fabric before washing away the marks. Heat can set the ink, making it difficult to remove. Always wash the fabric first. This set is an invaluable tool for both beginners and professionals. It provides a reliable way to make temporary adjustments without damaging your fabric. Get yours today and see the difference. What we like. This marker is perfect for temporary marking on fabrics, allowing for precise guidelines. The marks are easily removable with water, ensuring your projects stay clean. If you are a sewing enthusiast or professional looking for a reliable way to temporarily annotate adjustments on fabrics, you should consider this one. What people say. Works well on embroidery fabric. Stays on and only disappears when wet. They are easy to use and wash out of fabric very easily. The tip has a great width and writes so well on cotton so well. It doesn't bleed and dries super quick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.